Hey guys, so I've got the Infinix Smart 6, which is going viral on TikTok. And obviously I love a bargain, so I had to see what all the fuss is about. So let's open it together. So I've actually been after a cheaper phone for ages because my current phone is constantly running out of memory. And I want something that I can have as a spare phone for pictures and for the kids to play with. So far looking good. So I love the color. It's like a turquoisey color. And let's see what else is in the box first. Okay, so it comes with a charger, headphones, didn't expect that, and the charging wire. And there's some papers in here, money, and oh, it even comes with a case, so that's perfect. That's exactly what I need. Okay, so now time to open the phone. So it has a HD screen, 4-day battery life, face unlock, 8 megapixels rear camera, and the front camera is 5 megapixels. Let's open it. So it looks good. Love the color. I've popped the case on. Let's turn it on. I have linked it, so just click on the link. $63.99, which is an absolute bargain for a phone. So let's see how it goes.